Hello students, good morning to all. I hope you all are doing well. So let me continue with a new topic, that is the season. So let me continue with the topic. The monsoon type of climate, it characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. The weather conditions greatly change from one season to the other. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior part of the country. The coastal areas do not experience much variation in a temperature, though there is a variation in rainfall pattern. Why? Because the coastal area, the temperature of the climate, द वेदर कंडीशन, द टेम्परेचर इज़ क्वाइट मॉडरेट, ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी और ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. प्रॉबेबली वहाँ वेरिएशन देखने को मिलता है ओनली ऑन एन रेनफॉल पैटर्न. सो हाउ मेनी सीजन्स आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन योर प्लेस? हाउ मेनी सीजन्स? वी लिव्ड इन राजस्थान ना. सो प्रॉबेबली इन इंडिया देर आर 4 मेन सीजन कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड इन इंडिया. सी हियर द फर्स्ट इज. So students, let's move to the first topic, that is the cold weather season. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. December and January, these two are the coldest month of northern part of India. The term predator decreases from south to north. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, while it ranges between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius in northern place. In cold weather season, days are warm and the nights are quite cold. Frost is common in the northern and the higher slopes like Himalayan, they experience heavy snowfall. See students, a characteristic feature of the cold weather season over the northern plains in the inflow of cyclonic disturbances from the west and the north. These low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia, move to the India along with westerly flow. They cause the much needed winter rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Although the total amount of winter rainfall locally known as महावत, हम देखते हैं ना कई बार सर्दियों में बारिश होती है, तो that winter rainfall in local language it is called as Mahavat is small. They are of immense importance of the cultivation of रबी crops. रबी की जो crops होती है ना winter season में mostly यही रबी crops हुई खेती की जाती है. So that Mahavat, that winter rainfall is very much good for the रबी crops. So let's come to the another topic students. These are the hot weather season. I think hot weather season को हम काफ़ी अच्छे से समझेंगे because we lived in hot areas, especially in Rajasthan. Due to the apparent northern movement of the sun, the globe heat belts shift northwards. As much from March to May, it is hot weather season in India. The influence of the shifting of the heat belt can be seen clearly from the temperature recording taken during March, May at different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on Deccan Plateau. In April, temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are probably 42 degrees Celsius. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in northwest part of the country. In peninsula, in India, temperature remain low due to the moderating influence of the oceans. Peninsular regions के पास mostly ज़्यादा variation climate में देखने को नहीं मिलता because that area is quite moderate just because of the influence of the oceans. See students, here the map activity is also given over there, that is advancing monsoon. So just go through with the map. The summer month experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of the country. Obviously गर्मियों में temperature बढ़ता ही है. Towards the end of the May, an elongated low pressure area develops in the northwest of Patna and Chota Nagpur plateau in the east to the south. The striking feature of the hot weather season is the loo. जो बहुत तेज़ हवा चलती है ना गर्मियों में, जिसमें हमारे घर में खूब सारी मिट्टी आंधी टाइप आ जाती है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड लू. यही हैवी विंड, यही तेज़ हवा अगर सर्दियों में चलती है तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड शीतलहर, जब हम इसको बोलते हैं कोल्ड ब्रीज. एंड इन समर्स The weather season, the striking feature of hot weather season is the loo. These are strongly gusty, hot, dry wind blowing during the day over the north and the northwest India. हम इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से समझेंगे क्योंकि यूजुअली लू की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हम राजस्थान में हम लोग कॉमनली फेस करते हैं. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. Direct exposure to these winds may even prove to be fatal. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. These storms bring temporary relief as the lower pressure and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This season is also for localized thunderstorm associated with violent winds, torrential downpours often accompanied by hail. In West Bengal, these storms, ये जो तूफान आते हैं, they are known as काल बैसाखी. So student, towards the close to the summer season, almost जब summer season ख़त्म होने को आता है, then the pre-monsoon shower are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. They help in the early ripening of mangoes and often referred to as mango shower because that rain is very much beneficial for the mangoes. So that's why it is called mango showers. So let's come to the another topic, students, that is advancing monsoon. See, by the early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plains intensifies. It attracts the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. These winds blow over warm ocean. They bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. यानी वो जो हवाएं चलती हैं वो अपने साथ क्या, उन हवाओं में मॉइस्चर, काफ़ी सारा मॉइस्चर रहता है. These winds are strong and blow at average velocity of 30 km per hour with the expectation of the extreme northwest monsoon winds cover the country in about a month. Inflow of the southern west monsoon to the India brings about total change in weather. Almost monsoon season advancing यानी बारिश आने वाले सीजन में entirely पूरे country में काफ़ी change आ जाता है. Early in the season, the windward side is Western Ghats receives heavy rainfall. Western Ghats में mostly सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. The recorded rainfall, the maximum rainfall is 25 degree centimeter. The Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rainfall in spite in the rain shadow area. The maximum rainfall of the season received in the northeast part of the country. Mizoram is the southern range of the Khasi Hills जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. This area receives the highest average rainfall in the world. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decrease from the eastern to the west Rajasthan and the parts of Gujarat get scanty rainfall. यानी राजस्थान और गुजरात में comparative to these areas यहाँ पर काफ़ी कम बारिश होती. See here students, another phenomena associated with the monsoon is tendency to have break in rainfall. Thus it has wet and dry spells. In another word, the monsoon rains take place only for a few days at a time. See students, when the excess of the monsoon trough lies over the plains, rain is good in these parts. यानी मैदानों में जो बारिश होती है, it is quite good and beneficial for that area. On the other hand, whether the excess shift close to the Himalaya, there are longer dry spells in plains and widespread rain occurred in the mountains. These heavy rain bring their wake devastating flood, cause damage to life and property in the plains. मैदानों में commonly जब heavy बारिश होती है तो जो बारिश से क्या होता है, the heavy rain brings their wake that is devastating floods causing damage to the life and property in plains. These frequency and intensity of the tropical depression too determine the amount of and duration of monsoon rains. See students, the monsoon is also known for its uncertainties. यानी कोई फिक्स टाइम नहीं होता है कब बारिश आएगी, कभी भी बारिश आ सकती है. The alternation of dry and wet spells vary in intensity, frequency and duration. While it causes heavy flood in one part, it may be responsible for drought in others. Variations इतना different होता है कि कहीं पर हम सुनते हैं कि काफ़ी तेज़ बारिश आ रही है, कि इवन जैसे बॉम्बे, महाराष्ट्र, ठीक है, लाइक प्लेन्स में, पेनिनसुलर रीजन्स में इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश आती है कि बाढ़ आ जाती है. कॉमनली एंटायर ह्यूमन लाइफ गॉट डिस्टर्ब. और कहीं पर बहुत कम बारिश आती है. एक तरफ एक ही कंट्री में एक तरफ इतनी बारिश आ रही है, दूसरी तरफ ड्रॉट की कंडीशन हो जाती है, लाइक राजस्थान एंड गुजरात, दीज एरियाज गॉट स्केंटी रेनफॉल. तो दिस वेरिएशन इन rainfall, it's quite very common. It is often irregular in its arrival and retreat. Hence, it sometimes disturbs the farming schedule of millions of the farmers over the country. So, let me start the next topic, that is retreating post monsoon. During the October-November, with the apparent movement of the sun towards the south, the monsoon trough or low pressure trough in northern plains become weaker. This is gradually placed by a higher pressure of system. See students, the month of October and November form a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter conditions. इसमें हम बोलते हैं ना पतझड़, लाइक अक्टूबर टू नवंबर, ये ऐसा सीजन है कि ऑलमोस्ट गर्मियाँ और रेनी सीजन खत्म हो चुका होता है एंड इट इज़ द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द विंटर सीजन. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise the temperature while day temperature are high. इसमें probably the weather is quite very pleasant, आसमान साफ रहता है, डे टाइम में टेम्परेचर काफ़ी ऊपर रहता है, हाई रहता है, and nights are quite cooler and pleasant. The land is still moist owing to the condition of high pressure and humidity. The weather becomes rather oppressive during the day. This is commonly known as October heat. In the second half of the October, the mercury begins to fall rapidly in the northern India. Now students, let's come to another topic, that distribution of rainfall. Parts of western coast and northern in India receives over about 400 centimeter rainfall annually. सालाना 400 centimeter बारिश होती है mostly in the northeast areas में. However, it is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan, adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rain is equally low in the interior of the Deccan Plateau and east of the Sahyadris. Why do these regions receive low rainfall? ऐसा क्यों देखने को मिलता है कि कहीं जगह बहुत तेज़ बारिश होती है तो कई जगह बहुत कम? The reason is a third area of low precipitation is around Leh in Jammu and Kashmir. The rest of the country receives moderate rainfall. Snowfall is restricted in the Himalayan region. Owing to the nature of monsoon, the annual rainfall highly variable from year to year. Variability is high in the region of low rainfall such as the part of Rajasthan, Gujarat and leeward side of the Western Ghats. As such, while areas of heavy and high rainfall are liable to be affected by the floods. अब देखिए कितना वेरिएशन देखने को मिल रहा है कि इस तरह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है कि कहीं पर 400 सेंटीमीटर इस तरह की बारिश होती है, तो लाइक राजस्थान, गुजरात, ये कुछ ऐसे एरिया है जहाँ पर काफ़ी कम बारिश होती है, तो इतना वेरिएशन देखने को मिलता है कि कहीं पर तो फ्लड जैसी कंडीशन हो जाती है और कहीं पर स्टिल लोगों को जितनी ज़रूरत है अकॉर्डिंग टू बेस्ड ऑन देयर एग्रीकल्चर वो ही सफिशेंट नहीं होती है. सो अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज वी सॉ इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल. So students, let's come to the another topic, that is monsoon as a unifying bond. You have already known the way the Himalayas protect the subcontinent from extremely cold winds from the Central Asia. This enables northern India to have uniformly higher temperature compared to other areas on some latitude. Similarly, the peninsula plateau under the influence of the sea from three side has moderate temperature. Peninsula, the area which is covered three sided with sea, that area is called पेनिनसुला. यानी कंपैरेटिव टू हिली एरियाज पेनिनसुलर रीजन में मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट रहता है. डिस्पाइट such moderate influences, there are great variation in the temperature condition. Nevertheless, the unifying influence the monsoon on Indian subcontinent is quite precipitating. The seasonal alternation of the wind system and the association weather condition provide rhythmic cycle of the season. Even the uncertainness of rain and uneven distribution are very much typical in the monsoon. The India landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agriculture calendar and the life of the people influence their festives revolve around the phenomena. Year after year, people of India, north to south and from east to west, eagerly await the arrival of the monsoon. हम सभी जानते, we know, we lived in India. देर आर सो मेनी फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया. हम लोग टोटली सिर्फ रेनफॉल या हमारा जो वेदर फिनोमेना इट इज़ टोटली चेंज. कहीं पर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है तो कहीं पर बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी भी पड़ती है तो कहीं पर मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट रहता है. रेनफॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस भी इसी के अकॉर्डिंग है. कहीं पर बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होगी तो कहीं पर कम होगी. हमारा एग्रीकल्चर, हमारे फेस्टिवल्स, इवन हमारी प्लांट लाइफ, एनिमल लाइफ, वी ऑल आर टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस रेन, दिस नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एंड द एंटायर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. और हमारी जो लाइफस्टाइल है, हम जिस वे में अपनी लाइफ स्पेंड करते हैं, वी जस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्टिकुलर क्लाइमेट कंडीशन ऑफ दैट एरिया. दीज मानसून विंड्स blind the whole country by providing weather to set the agricultural activities in motion. The river valleys which carry water also unite as a single river valley unit. So students, now our chapter has been completed. So we have to do the question answer and we have to complete the map activities which is present in your book. So it's enough for today. Good day and enjoy your day.